Best new meme coin pre-sales to invest in. Why meme coins like BTFD, meme and PONKE are shaking things up. Meme coins are back in the spotlight, and December 2024 is shaping up to be a wild ride for crypto enthusiasts. Remember when everyone thought the meme coin craze was just a fad? Well, think again. Projects like BTFD coin, memecoin, meme, and PONKE are not only reigniting interest but also setting the stage for another round of explosive gains. The crypto world hasn't seen this much chatter since Bitcoin dominated the headlines. But here's the kicker. These meme coins aren't just about laughs. They've got some serious potential. With analysts predicting a 100x surge for the best new meme coin pre-sales to invest in December 2024. For years, meme coins have captured the imagination of crypto traders and casual investors alike. From Dogecoin's unexpected rise to Shiba Inu's meteoric growth, the journey of these coins has been nothing short of legendary. Now, BTFD coin is leading the charge, not just as a meme token, but as a robust ecosystem with a P2E game, referral program, staking rewards, and a community that's got each other's backs. Imagine securing a spot in Stage 12 at a bargain Stage 7 price. BTFD coin makes it possible at $0.000064. With an expected listing price of $0.0006, your ROI could skyrocket by 837.5%. Use the Big 50 code now to grab this rare chance to maximize your returns like never before. But why should you care about meme coins? The answer lies in their ability to bring people together while creating opportunities for massive returns. With global economic uncertainty reminiscent of the 1973 crash, investors are increasingly looking to buy the dips and position themselves for the next big breakout. Let's dive into what makes BTFD meme and PONKE the best new meme coin pre-sales to watch this December. BTFD coin, the undisputed meme king of 202, this token launched with a bang, raising over $4.2 million within its first month of pre-sale. Sitting comfortably in pre-sale stage 12 at $0.000013 per coin, it's gearing up for a listing price of $0.0006, promising jaw-dropping gains for early investors. Let's crunch some numbers. Imagine dropping $35,000 into BTFD coin at its current price of $0.000013. You'd scoop up a whopping 2.69 billion tokens. When the coin hits $0.0006 post-pre-sale, your investment balloons to $1.61 million. That's the kind of return that turns heads. And with over 57 billion coins already sold to 6,100 holders, the hype train isn't slowing down anytime soon. What sets BTFD apart is its ecosystem. The token isn't just a one-trick pony. It's got a fully fledged play-to-earn, P2E, game that's equal parts fun and rewarding. Throw in a referral program that lets you earn while sharing the love, plus staking rewards for holders, and you've got a recipe for success. The community aspect can't be ignored either. This isn't just a project. It's a movement, one that's as bullish as it gets. If you're ready to jump in, grab your BTFD coins from the pre-sale, and don't forget to use the bonus code BIG50 for a discounted price. With only 4 stages left in the pre-sale, the window of opportunity is closing fast. Memecoin, the OG of fun meets finance. Next up is Memecoin, a project that's been turning heads for its clever branding and strong fundamentals. Unlike your run-of-the-mill meme coin, meme combines nostalgia with next-gen blockchain utility. It's like reliving your favorite Saturday morning cartoons, but with the added bonus of potentially life-changing returns. Meme's charm lies in its simplicity. It's a token for the people, designed to be accessible and engaging. But don't let its playful exterior fool you. Meme packs a serious punch. Its staking rewards are among the best in the meme coin space, offering a steady income stream for those who hold on. Plus, its limited token supply creates scarcity, driving demand through the roof. The project has also been killing it in terms of community engagement. From Twitter to Discord, Meme's social channels are buzzing with activity. It's the kind of grassroots energy that fuels long-term growth. And let's not forget its NFT marketplace, which is set to launch early next year. Imagine owning a piece of meme history while earning passive income from your NFT collection. It's a win-win. While it's not raising the kind of capital BTFD is, Meme's slow and steady approach makes it a solid contender. If you're looking for a mix of nostalgia and innovation, Meme might just be your ticket to the moon. PONKE, the wild card with massive upside. If you're into taking risks for high rewards, PONKE is the one to watch. Dubbed the ultimate underdog, this token is making waves for its ambitious roadmap and unorthodox marketing tactic. PONKE doesn't play by the rules, and that's exactly why it's capturing attention. PONKE's secret weapon is its gamified presale. Instead of just buying tokens, investors earn rewards for completing challenges and participating in community events. It's like Fortnite meets crypto, and it's absolutely genius. This approach has not only boosted engagement, but also created a sense of belonging among its holders. The tokenomics are equally intriguing. PONKE has implemented a dynamic burn mechanism, reducing the total supply with every transaction. This deflationary model keeps the value ticking upwards, rewarding those who get in early. And with plans to launch a P2E game that's already being compared to industry giants, PONKE is setting itself up as a serious player in the meme coin space. Of course, being a wild card comes with its risks. PONKE is a newer project, and while its potential is sky-high, it's not without its challenges. But if you've got a taste for adventure, this could be the one to watch. How to claim the BTFD bonus code. Getting in on the BTFD presale is as easy as pie. Click here and connect your wallet. MetaMask or Trust Wallet works like a charm. Once connected, enter the bonus code BIG50 to unlock a discounted price. Then, input how much you want to invest, review the details, and hit Buy Now. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and just like that, you're part of the BTFD revolution. Conclusion. Based on our research and market trends, BTFD coin, memecoin, and PONKE are setting the stage for another golden era of meme coins. Whether it's BTFD's record-breaking presale, Meme's nostalgic charm, or PONKE's gamified twist, there's something for every kind of investor. But time's ticking, and the best opportunities don't wait. Join the BTFD coin presale now, and position yourself for potentially life-changing gains. With 100x potential on the horizon, the only question left is, are ready to take a plunge with the best new meme coin presales to invest in December 2024. Disclaimer. Any information written in this press release does not constitute investment advice. Optimisys does not, and will not endorse any information about any company or individual on this page. Readers are encouraged to do their own research and base any actions on their own findings, not on any content written in this press release. Optimisys is, and will not be responsible for any damage or loss caused directly or indirectly by the use of any content, product, or service mentioned in this press release.